289 under square root plus 288 under square root, all under square root, then under square root. How do we solve this? So first of all, 289, it's the square of 17. So square root of 289 is 17 plus 288. If we factorize it, it is 2 times 12 times 12 under square root, or 17 plus it is 2 times 12 square under square root, or this we can also write it as 12 square under square root times square root of 2 under square root, then under square root. Remove square root with this square, or 17 plus 12, we can write it as 2 times 6, then times square root of 2 under square root, or 17 plus 2, 6 we can write it as square root of 6 square, then times square root of 2 under square root, or 17 plus 2 times, this is 6 times 6 times 2 under square root, because when square root of 8 times square root of b, this is equal to 8 times b under square root, then under square root, or 17 plus 2 times 6 is 2 times 3, then times 2 under square root, or 17 plus 2 times, this we can write square root of 9 times square root of 8 under square root, then under square root. Again 17 we can write it as 9 plus 8 plus 2 times square root of 9 times square root of 8 under square root, then under square root. Now a we can write it as square root of a square, because this square root gets removed with this square. So 9 we can write it as square root of 9 square plus 8 as square root of 8 square plus 2 times square root of 9 times square root of 8, then under square root, Now if you consider square root of 9 as a and square root of 8 as b, then this is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, and it is equal to a plus b whole square. So this we can write square root of 9 plus square root of 8 whole square under square root, Now we can remove this square root with this square. Now we have square root of 9 plus square root of 8 under square root. Now square root of 9 is 3 plus square root of 8 is 2 times square root of 2, then under square root. Now 3 we can write it as 2 plus 1 plus 2 times square root of 2. We can write here times 1 and there is no difference, then under square root. Now 2 we can write it as square root of 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 times square root of 2 times 1 under square root. Again, if square root of 2 is a and 1 is b, then this is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this we can write square root of 2 plus 1 whole square under square root. Now remove the square root with this square. So answer is square root of 2 plus 1. Can you solve it with any other method? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.